Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer your Chainlink tokens from Trust Wallet to Arculus Wallet in 2025. With crypto evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you do it securely and efficiently, whether you're switching for better features or just organizing your assets. Let's jump right in. First off, before we start, make sure you have both wallets set up and ready. You'll need Chainlink tokens in your Trust Wallet and your Arculus Wallet installed on your device. Also, double-check that you're on a secure internet connection to avoid any risks. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and head to your Assets section. Locate your Chainlink tokens. It should be easy to find in your portfolio. Step 2. Tap on the Chainlink token to select it, then hit the Send button. This will open the transaction interface where you'll enter the details. Step 3. Switch over to your Arculus Wallet app. Go to the Receive or Wallet Address section and copy the specific address for Chainlink. Pro tip: always verify the address to prevent any errors. One wrong character could mean lost funds. Step 4. Back in Trust Wallet, paste the copied address into the recipient field. Next, enter the amount of Chainlink you want to transfer. Don't forget to account for any network fees, which might be required for the transaction to go through. Step 5. Review everything carefully. Check the address, amount, and fees one last time. If it all looks good, confirm the transaction. You'll get a prompt to approve it, and once done, the transfer will process on the blockchain. After a few minutes, hop back to your Arculus wallet to confirm the Chainlink has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it some time as blockchain transactions can vary. A quick word of caution: crypto transfers are irreversible, so always start with a small amount if you're new to this. That's it for today's guide. I hope this makes your wallet switch seamless. If you have questions or run into issues, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.